Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford Fiesta look good. First, give your car a deep clean, both inside and out, to establish a pristine foundation. This initial step is crucial for revealing its true potential. Next, consider a professional detailing service to tackle any persistent dirt or minor imperfections. Finally, take a moment to assess your Fiesta's current aesthetic to pinpoint specific areas that could benefit most from an upgrade. Let's focus on the exterior. Swapping out your stock wheels for a set of stylish 17-inch alloy rims can dramatically change your Fiesta's profile, giving it a more aggressive and sporty look. Next, consider adding a subtle body kit or a small rear spoiler. These additions can refine the car's aerodynamic lines without being over the top. Finally, upgrading your headlights and taillights to modern LED units not only looks fantastic, but also significantly improves your visibility on the road. Now, let's step inside and enhance your Fiesta's interior. Start by replacing any worn seat covers with custom-fit options. This instantly refreshes the cabin's feel and look. Next, consider installing new, high-quality floor mats and stylish pedal covers to elevate the overall appearance of your footwell area. For a significant tech upgrade, swap out your old infotainment system for a modern unit, perhaps with a crisp 7-inch touchscreen, bringing your car into the present day. To truly complete your Fiesta's transformation, apply a high-quality wax or ceramic coating to protect that beautiful paintwork and give it a deep, lasting shine. Remember, consistent cleaning and regular vacuuming of the interior are key to maintaining its fresh, upgraded appearance. These small, ongoing efforts make a huge difference. Also, for those looking for great deals, including the Oala water bottle mentioned, be sure to check the description below for links and more information. Keep your Fiesta looking its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.